Are you looking for the best cordless leaf blower? In this video we will look at some of the best cordless leaf blower. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. WORX WG545. WORX makes all kinds of power tools that generally have a high user rating, as you get a lot of things for your money just like its cordless leaf blower option. The WORX WG545.6 is another good cordless leaf blower in the list. You get a 20V battery system which has a decent capacity of 2 Ah. You can easily remove and replace its battery once it runs out of charge so that you can keep using it for a long time without any issues. Of course, you need to have an additional battery, but the fully charged battery can easily run up to 30 minutes. The motor in this leaf blower has a decent airflow performance of 80 CFM along with a maximum airspeed of 120 miles per hour, which might not seem that powerful, but it is sufficient for small gardens and backyards. The weight of this leaf blower is just 4.3 pounds, with the battery attached. Its ergonomic handle makes it quite easy to use for a long-time job. You get a charger as well as a single battery included in its box. This leaf blower has a limited 3-year warranty. 20V battery. 2.0 Ah capacity. Up to 30 minutes of runtime. 3-year warranty. Up to 120 miles per hour airspeed. Air volume up to 80 CFM. Lightweight and ergonomic. Affordable price tag. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Lithium Sweeper. BLACK+DECKER is a mainstream brand of power tools that is known to offer affordable options. You can also find a budget option from BLACK+DECKER if you are looking for a leaf blower. The BLACK+DECKER LSW221AM is a compact little cordless leaf blower. It has a 20V lithium battery system with a capacity of 1.5 Ah, which is low when compared to other options in the list. But the good thing about this battery is that it can be on standby up to 18 months after a full charge. The motor has a very quiet operation and can generate airspeed up to 130 miles per hour, which is more than enough for most users out there. Despite its low and affordable price tag, you get its charger and battery included in the box. This makes this a high value for money option. You get a decent build quality along with a 2-year warranty that is quite decent for its price. 20V battery. 1.5 Ah battery capacity. 2-year warranty. Up to 130 miles per hour airspeed. Lightweight design. Low noise motor. Battery holds charge up to 18 months. Number 3. DEWALT Lithium-Ion XR Brushless Blower. DEWALT is one of the oldest and the most reputable brands of power tools out there. It also makes tools for your backyard maintenance, including a leaf blower. The DEWALT DCBL 720P1 Max XR leaf blower is a popular product in this category as it offers a compact build with a decent runtime. It comes with a 20V battery that has a capacity of 5 Ah. Since this rating is much higher than the other 2 Ah options, you can expect a long battery life from it. You also get a decent performance from the brushless motor, which can produce an air volume up to 400 CFM with an airspeed up to 90 miles per hour. Since DEWALT is quite a reputable brand, it offers a 3-year long warranty. It has a compact design that is also sturdy and yet lightweight for using it without any stress in your arms. While it is a bit on the expensive side, you get the charger and 20V, 5 Ah battery included with it out of the box. 2V battery with capacity of 5 Ah. 3-year warranty. Brushless motor. Up to 90 miles per hour airspeed. Up to 400 CFM air volume. Great build quality. Lightweight. Long battery life. Number 2. KIMO Cordless Leaf Blower. KIMO is a highly affordable brand of power tools that can be a great pick if you are on a budget. This is also true for the KIMO Cordless Leaf Blower that is among some of the best options out there. KIMO's cordless leaf blower is a 2-in-1 device, as this leaf blower can be used as a sweeper/blower as well as a vacuum, which can be quite handy for a lot of users. It is one of the affordable blowers present in this list. Even then, it offers a decent performance. It has a 20V battery with a capacity of 2.0 Ah and can last up to 20 minutes. Its powerful motor with copper winding can reach up to 20,000 RPM. As a result, the airspeed from this blower can reach 150 miles per hour easily and produces an airflow of up to 200 CFM. As mentioned earlier, you can use this blower as a vacuum as well. When used as a vacuum, you have to use the provided dust collection bag for the dust to deposit. Since this is an affordable leaf blower, it comes with just a 2-year warranty that is expected at this price range. 20V battery with a capacity of 2 Ah. Up to 20 minutes of runtime. Weighs only 2.2 pounds. 2-year warranty. Motor speed up to 20,000 RPM. 2-in-1 mode for flexibility. Can be used as a sweeper/blower or as a vacuum. Decent build quality. Airspeed up to 150 miles per hour and airflow up to 200 CFM. Number 1. Greenworks 40V 150 miles per hour variable speed cordless leaf blower. You can find a wide range of electric power tools options from Greenworks. It offers the option cordless leaf blower as well. The Greenworks 24252 cordless leaf blower is one of the most popular options in the list as it offers a lot of things for its given price. You get a 40V lithium battery system that has a capacity of 2 Ah for a long runtime of up to 14 minutes. The motor in this leaf blower has a variable speed adjustment and can go up to 150 miles per hour so that you can easily get rid of leaves. It can deliver airflow up to 135 CFM. Another great thing about this leaf blower is that it offers a great build quality and a 4-year warranty. You get a small and compact design that is also lightweight for high portability. To further make this leaf blower a better value for money option, you get the battery and the charger included in the package. 40V lithium battery. 2 Ah battery capacity. 4-year warranty. Up to 150 miles per hour speed. Airflow up to 135 CFM. Runtime is approximately 14 minutes. Weighs 3.39 pounds, without battery. Small and compact design. Great build quality. Extension tube for more reach. Value for money.